Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today we are going to join new project which name is Stroopwafel.finance. Its pre-sale is live. 800,000 Swaffle is on sale. You can buy through Binance Smart Chain with MetaMask. One Swaffle price is 0.87 BUSD. Its pre-sale will end on 7th October 2021 and the fixed swap ratio is 1 Swaffle is equal to 0.0025 BNB. And this is the button. You can connect your MetaMask and can buy this token. Before we discuss all these functions of Stroop Swaffle, we will know what is the Stroop Swaffle.finance and what is its main concept. Stroopwafel Finance is decentralized exchange running on Binance Smart Chain which integrates the power of NFT into DeFi. Our NFT ecosystem allows the investor to have access to a variety of financial use cases unique to ERC-721 technology. NFT which push limits of what financial services DeFi can offer, and Stroopwafel is at the forefront of developing these new use cases. When you click on launch, you can read all detail here. Liquidity will be added in 3 hours before farming start. Swaffle start price will be 1.4 BUSD. You can also follow them on Twitter and on Telegram. And this is the roadmap detail. You can check it out here. And now we'll discuss its main website. This is the main website of Stroopwafel.finance. You can buy and can stake and mint your NFT through this site. Simply connect your wallet and then you can invest your NFT on pools. When you click on liquidity farm, this is the page. You can see here Swaffle BUSD. You can simply deposit your NFT and stake them and can earn free passive income. Click on pools. This is the pool page. You can also stake your NFT, and this when you click on NFT marketplace is also available here. Simply click on NFT marketplace and as you can see here Stroopwafel collection, and this is the big bad bunny. You can unlock them with Binance Smart Chain and can check out here detail. And this is the document button and this is the price charts. You can also visit them. Project is strong. You can join it and can earn free cryptocurrency. This is the main thread of the bounty. First of all, you need to provide proof of authentication, and these are the general rules for this bounty. Read these rules carefully. The bounty will run for 2 weeks. Follow these 3 groups of Telegram. After that, you will provide your proof of authentication. There are 3 campaigns are available. First is YouTube campaign, second is Twitter campaign, and third is Telegram campaigns. Rules are clearly written here. First, read all rules and after that you can apply. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.